What's going on, WeldLab family? Today I have a different video from y'all. It's not really gonna be a welding tutorial. I guess it's gonna be more of a welder lifestyle on his rainouts, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. They sent us home from my job for 4 days. We got rained out Monday. We don't go back to work. They sent until either Thursday or Friday because in Houston we have a tropical storm that's hitting us. And for those of y'all who from a different state or country, it don't take much for Houston to flood. And no matter if it rains for like 2 days, your car will be underwater if you parked in the wrong area. And we already have a few intersections already closed down. If y'all can see, right now it's pretty calm. The rain stopped for a little while, but I think tonight is the night where it's gonna really hit us pretty hard. I already know I already have a few interstates that are closed, and I was watching the news this morning and we actually have a few vehicles underwater. So it's really, really dangerous. So that's why our job site decided to shut us down, and hopefully we go back to work soon. But you know, today I'll just be showing y'all what I do on my rainout days. You know, I also have a modification on my rig that I want to show y'all that I did. I was trying to hurry up and do it Monday, but unfortunately that rain got me and I couldn't finish it. So right now it's half-ass done, and I'm a little ashamed to drive my rig right now because the way it looks, but it is what it is. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. If the rain stays like this, I'm gonna go stop by my homeboy Daniel's house, the guy that y'all seen last time on this on my last welding tutorial. He has potential tests coming up, and he hit me up about linking up together about running a few coupons, you know, doing some 60-10. I haven't ran 60-10 in a while, so I kind of want to get into it again, you know. And it's always good to practice before you have a test, just to make sure your hand is right. To this day, I've been welding for 10 years, and you know, to this day I still practice if I have time to make sure my hand's right. So yeah, man, today I'll probably just chill. Another thing that I started doing, I started working out, and I really want to be fit. So, you know, I got my pre-workout with me. I'm about to take it in a few minutes. I'm gonna go hit the gym. My goal right now is to be 200 solid. I know that seems like a lot, but that's the goal that I'm trying to go. I'm 6 foot right now, so I think about 200 solid I should be, you know, not too big, but, you know, real lean. And that's the goal, you know, that I'm trying to go for, you know, as of this year. You know, I've been doing pretty good. I'm starting to see a few changes, but I have a long way to go. But yeah, man, I'm about to go downstairs to the parking garage, and I'm gonna show y'all that rig modification that I got going on. I made it back to the rig. Hopefully I can hear me because they have a shitload of noise in this parking garage. But I know I've been talking about it for a while, you know, and I finally was somewhat able to do it. You know, I've been talking about getting some mud tires in my truck, and I finally got them. You know, I got me some Toyos. I want to give a shout out to my homeboy Margarito for letting me get them. Big shout out to him. You know, but I had a big issue. The spacers that I have are special threaded, so they needed a special lug nut, and I couldn't find any. And you know, that was Monday when I got rained out, and the storm was gonna start at 12, so I only had a few hours to find them, and I could not find those damn lug nuts. And I spent like 4 hours going all around Houston trying to find some, and I couldn't find none. And when I got back to the shop, they had already mounted my 2 front ones, but since I didn't have the lugs for the rear end, I got these right now. And look at that ugly ass wreck that I caused on my rig, man. I can't believe I did that. But it's all good though. I'm gonna get all that fixed eventually with time. There ain't no pressure. But yup, so I got 2 more tires in the front, 235s in the front, and I got the factories in the back. But he said the lug nuts will be back in by Thursday. So Thursday I should have everything set to go, and I ain't tripping. I probably won't even be driving my rig anytime soon. I'll just go ahead and take my Camaro. Well, I'm about to get ready to take my pre-workout. I'm gonna go hit the gym, and like I said, hopefully the weather stays like this. I'm gonna go highlight my boy Daniel, so we can get down on some 60-10. And you know, it's not gonna be a welding vlog. I'm gonna just show y'all us just playing around, behind the scenes stuff. So I'm about to go hit the gym, man. I'll see you in a bit. Since my truck over here is out of commission, we're gonna take my Camaro because the truck, I can't drive it. I wish I had it ready because I could be driving through the floods right now, but I'm not. I'm having to take my Camaro, but it is what it is. Okay, we at Voodoo Donuts because my wife wants some donuts, not for me. She can eat all this shit and still remain fine. That's what she gets to eat, some donuts, and I can't have any of that because I'm on a diet and I worked out today, so I'm not doing it, guys. Still, man has not fallen yet. Never mind, guys, man down. I repeat, man down. I couldn't resist and I had to take me a bite. I don't normally drink. I don't drink beer or alcohol. Well, sometimes, but it's rare. But I do drink wine. I actually drink it a lot because of my wife. She got me drinking all that. But yeah, I don't drink beer. I drink alcohol every blue moon. But this is my choice for tonight. It hasn't stopped raining in a while, man. I guess this is the worst part of the tropical storm. Oh, never mind. I think the worst part will be tonight at midnight, but it hasn't stopped raining in a while, and Houston's already underwater in certain areas. So we'll see what the weather does. They called me to go back to work tomorrow. Actually, they said go after 10 if it's possible. So depending on what the weather does, I'll decide if I go to work or not. But if it's too bad, I'll probably just kick it out the house again. This is actually the next day. It's about 8 o'clock. I'm about to start getting ready to go to work. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed my off day vlog. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, man. That really helps me out with YouTube. But I appreciate you if you got this far, man. I'm about to go back in my spot, kick with my wife for a few more minutes, and get dressed. It's not mandatory for me to go to work today, but I think I'm gonna still go and get a few hours in because I have to leave early. Probably tomorrow go get them 35s put on the back of my truck. So, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.